Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a mini Nykaa haul. Don't worry, I've not just ordered anything, I've just ordered some things that I really wanted to. So let's directly get started, and if in case you're interested in purchasing any of the products, the links will be in the description box down below. So let's get started. The first thing that I have bought is the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. Now this is a 1 liter bottle which is for 950 rupees. This is the best skin cleanser, to be very honest. If in case you have sensitive, acne prone and all of that sort of situations that go with your skin, I will very highly recommend you this one, and everybody in my family uses. The second thing which I have ordered is the St. Ives Radiant Skin Pink Lemon and Mandarin Orange Scrub. That is such a long name. This is how it looks like. And honestly, from St. Ives, this is like the second product this is actually the third product which I am ever going to be using. Prior to this, I was using this tub, which is the St. Ives Acne Control Oil-Free Salicylic Acid Acne Medication Apricot Scrub. This is how it looks like, but unfortunately you don't get this tub anywhere except for this one store which is in Khar, which is not open at all, and I am almost done with it. This is gonna still work for me, but we are I guess 4 people who use this. So yeah, this will get over soon. However, I'm not that happy with it because if you actually go to see, okay, it is just filled till here. So this so much is like already empty. I don't know, I will update it on my Instagram as to how I feel about it. So yeah, do follow me there. The third product which I have ordered is my Ride or Die, another one of my favorite face washes, which is the Clean and Clear Morning Energy Face Wash. However, they have changed the packaging of the product. Yeah, this is completely different. It had some sort of beads. Yeah, it did have beads into it. Oh yeah, this still has it, thank God. I thought they don't have it anymore. So yeah, I ordered 2 of these. I love these, and I had actually ran out of these in April itself, so I thought 2 is really better. Now next is makeup. To be very honest, I've been wanting these from a very long time, and I just thought that if I'm ordering things, I should really order these 2. The first one is these eyelashes. These are from Nykaa. I have never ever had false eyelashes in my entire life, to be very honest. These are my first pair, so I have zero clue about how they're going to be and all of that stuff. I've heard from a lot of people that these are really good ones. These are for 199. I don't know, it was literally, I sort of put a stone on my heart when I was buying this because I've never ordered it, so I just was very skeptical about these. Okay, you know what, I'll just open it later on after I'm done. So this is how they look like. I don't know, they are OTT Drama, just in case you wanted to know which one I have ordered. They even have a lash glue inside. The next thing I have ordered is this white pencil, white kajal, white pencil, I don't know however you want to put it. This is by which brand? I don't know this is which brand, but this is for 199 bucks, and this also has a sharpener on top. So I have been waiting to get this one from a long time. And the last but not the least is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Yeah, this is in the shade Molten Gold. This is how it looks like. I've already heard so much about this that I really thought that let's just get it. And also the highlighter that I was already using, I had misplaced it, so I just thought that let's just get it. So yeah, this was the entire haul. All the links will be in the description box. And yeah, stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself, and take care of people who are up and around you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.